Man, y'all did a great job.
Thank you.
This is awesome. The biggest thing that this truck hit for me was just how unique it is. You know, you don't see many custom HDs and you don't see many with the attention to detail that this one has. Oh man, those things look sweet. Woo! You know, I feel like this is something that is unique and special to me, and that's really important. Yeah, don't get much better than this. So I originally was just searching online through photos. I came across a link and it led me to y'all's Instagram page, and I saw the truck on the Instagram page, saw it was available, ended up reaching out and went from there. Yep, Tony was my salesman and he did a great job. Buying a truck out of town was new for me. It was something I'd never done, but you know, everyone here made it really easy. The process was easy to you know, work out a deal and go through all the paperwork and the payment and everything. And you know, all I had to do was pretty much get all that taken care of and show up here, and you know, it worked out really well, and it was a smooth process.